Good morning, students. Welcome to your social studies period, in which I am going to continue doing evaluate part of page number 171. Yesterday I have read till here. Now we'll do evaluate part. Fill in the blanks. Dash and dash were big cities of the Indus Valley civilization, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Answer is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were big cities of the Indus Valley civilization. Indo-Aryans came to India during the Dash age, during the Vedic age. If you have read this lesson, you can easily find out these answers. See, Vedic age. Ashoka fought a war against the kingdom of Kalinga. Babur came to India in 1526 CE. Indians dash against the British in 1857 CE. Revolt. Indians revolt against the British in 1857 CE. Now state true or false. The Indo-Aryans performed open-air ceremonies and domesticated animals. This is true. So you have to write here T. Ashoka was the first ruler of the Maurya dynasty. False. Who was the first ruler of the Maurya dynasty? Yes, student. Chandragupta Maurya became the ruler of Magadha and founded the Mauryan Empire. So, he was the first ruler, not Ashoka. Now, the golden age of ancient India was during the rule of Ashoka. False. This is also false. Now, the British were defeated by the ruler of Bengal, Sirajud-Dowla, in 1757 CE. False. The Marathas and Sikhs became powerful after the Mughals gradually lost their power. This is also false. So with this I have done the evaluate part. Question and answers I will give you later to write it down in your notebook. Now with this we'll continue the new chapter, that is chapter number 5, organizations that help us. Okay. Now warm up. You read it and do it. See. Read the following situation, underline the crisis and circle the relief and aid provided for the same. Now there was a theft in your house when you and your family were away. So where would you go to file a complaint? So what is crisis here? Theft. So you have to underline it. And what is the relief here? Complaint. Okay, you have to circle the relief. So where would you go? We will go to police station to file a complaint if there is any theft. Isn't it? Then where do you go when you have an injury or not feeling well? So here, what is the crisis? Injury. So underline it. And what is the relief? Well, you have to circle it. तो आप कहाँ जाओगे जब आपको चोट लगेगी या फिर आपको ठीक नहीं लग रहा हो तो we will go to hospital, isn't it? So right here hospital. What are these organizations? These organizations, how do they make our lives better? This you have to find out the answer and write it on your own. Now what we are going to learn in this chapter is different organizations that help us. different organizations जो हमारी सेवा करते हैं, जो हमारी मदद करते हैं. Community, people living in a community help and take care of each other. There are organizations like the police, hospitals, fire brigade, banks, postal system and armed forces that help us in different ways. Police, the police officers ensure the safety of people in the community by solving crimes and catching those who are guilty. Community किसे कहते हैं? A group of people living in the same area is known as community. ठीक है. Now turn the page. Police stations are located in different parts of the town or city. In case of a dispute, an accident or a security threat, the matter should be immediately reported to the police. They maintain order at public fairs and festivals and ensure that people do not get hurt. You can see police in India. Now the traffic police ensures the smooth movement of the traffic on the road and that people follow traffic rules. Hospital, we go to a hospital when we fall ill or do not feel well. There are doctors, nurses and helpers in a hospital. Most hospitals also have ambulances for our services. Now doctors and other staff members in a hospital treat us for our disease. They give us medicines and give us advice on personal hygiene, habits and diet. You can see a hospital ward. Picture of hospital ward. Now, hospitals also treat us during emergency situations like a natural calamity or an accident. Timely and proper attention provided by doctors, nurses, and hospital staff can save precious lives. Fire brigade. Now, let us see how fire brigade help us. In case of a fire, we call the fire brigade. A fire brigade comprises a team of firefighters who are trained to put out fires and help people who may be trapped. They use firefighting equipments like extinguishers, hose pipes, ladders, and fire engines. Every neighborhood has a fire station. You can see a fire brigade, fire station. Most schools have fire drills conducted by the local fire brigade to train students on how to save themselves in case of real fire. Several buildings like shopping malls, offices, schools, and cinemas are also equipped with fire detectors and alarms. Fire drill क्या है? A long bell signaling that people should move out of the building or premises. ठीक है? Now, did you know in case of an emergency, call 100 for police, 101 for fire, and 102 for ambulance. This you have to remember. ठीक है? Bank. A bank is a place where we can keep our money safe and secure. A bank opens an account for us and stores our money in it. We can deposit and withdraw money from our account whenever we need to. The bank pays us an interest on the money we have deposited. Banks lend money to people who are in need. For example, it lends money to farmers to buy seeds and agricultural tools. Businessmen seek loans from banks to grow and develop their business. It also offers loans to students for their higher studies. This is an ATM machine. This you are familiar. Now, these days we can also do our transactions through the internet from our home or the automated teller machines, ATMs. What is the full form of ATMs? Automated teller machines. The ATMs allow us to withdraw money anytime and anywhere. Post office. The postal service, the postal system helps in sending and receiving mails all over the country and the world. Post offices are spread all over the country. We can send letters to our near and ones staying in different cities. We can also send parcels and money orders through the post office. These days, post offices also allow us to open an account and deposit money just like in a bank. Now, interest. What is interest? Money paid by a bank to an account holder. The General Post Office of Kolkata. Did you know on 15 July 2013 the 163-year-old telegram service ended in India? टेलीग्राम का जो सेवा था वो ख़त्म ही हो गया on 15 July 2013. There is no telegram facility now available. Then armed forces. The three armed forces of our country, Air Force, Navy and Army, protect our country from enemies. ठीक है? आर्म फोर्सेस में कौन कौन है? एयर फोर्स, नेवी एंड आर्मी. नाउ दे गार्ड द बॉर्डर्स ऑफ अ कंट्री एंड फाइट एनिमीज ड्यूरिंग वॉर्स. See Indian soldiers helping in relief work. They also help the countrymen during times of need such as natural calamities like floods, earthquake and droughts. Now voluntary organizations. Certain voluntary organizations help with relief work in case of natural calamities like earthquakes, tsunamis and epidemics. The Red Cross, World Health Organization means WHO and United Nations Children's Fund means UNICEF are some such organizations that work at the international level. In case of war also, these organizations provide food, shelter and medical care to the affected. You can see volunteers of a local organization distributing food in a drought hit area. ठीक है? Now, some voluntary organizations work at the local level by supplying food, water, clothes, etc. in case of natural disasters like floods, droughts, and famines. As responsible citizens of our country, we can also support these organizations by donating money or items that are in good condition and can help those in need. ठीक है? Now we'll do the recap. Some organizations in our society that help us are police, hospitals, fire brigade, banks, post offices, the armed forces and voluntary organizations. The police maintain law and order. Hospitals ensure the good health of people. Fire brigade comes to our rescue in case of fire. Banks keep our money safe. Post offices send and deliver our mails all across the country and abroad. Voluntary organizations aid in relief work during natural disasters. Word power, armed forces, the three wings of the defense force of a country. What is the three wings? As I said, Air Force, Navy, and Army. Voluntary organization, organizations formed by people for some purpose and without any expectation of payment, is known as voluntary organization. Exercise part, I will continue it in the next video. Till then you can go through this chapter and read it once. Thank you.